So what's up guys, how's it going? So today I will be revealing the two winners of the subscriber giveaway. So yeah, inundated with comments, but nah, just joking, I got 4. I thought the video was going to do a little bit better, but hey ho. But anyway, so I'm going to reveal the winners, but also what I will be doing is showing you the new parts that I've got ready for the rebuild, so stay tuned. So here are the 4 comments. Now I did say my little girl was going to, read them out, but, or should I say, she's going to pick them. But she's in a Mardi, so she's going to bed. So this leaves me with the first one being, this is for the prize one, so K20 Dave. You'll be getting the piston and also the t-shirt. And the second one being Dan Bryan. So you'll be getting the stickers. So K20 Dave, if you want to send me an email or a DM on Instagram with your postal address and obviously your t-shirt size, I'll get your t-shirt, the pistons and the stickers. And for Dan Bryan, if you want to send me your address, again, either email or DM me on Instagram, I'll get your stickers to you as well. It'll probably take me a week because I'll have to wait for the t-shirt to be made, and the stickers I'll get a bunch done as well. So like I say, thank you guys for commenting and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Obviously, yeah, I wish it'd done a little bit better, but anyway, it doesn't matter. What I'll do now is I'll just show you the parts that I've got ready for the rebuild. So again, a big shout out to the boys at Tegua. Johnny, you're a legend, you really helped me out again. I did contact a couple of other people, but Tegua come in with the prices, really did help me out, so we can keep building this thing. So first thing I got is egg gasket seals and also stem seals. So that's the upper. I also got rocker cover set as well, so that's all your seals. What else do they get in here? New genuine tensioner, timing chain as well, so genuine timing chain. We've also got that's the lower seal kit as well, so got upper, lower, so I'll be fresh. Wiseco pistons come back from the machine shop, so these are oversized 86.5. I think the compression ratio's 9.5.1. Yeah, I'm sure it's that anyway, but they're flathead. So just bear me a second, I can show you them. There you go, flathead. Sort that out. We've also got Eagle connecting rods as well. I'll put them on the floor. So I did order some Skunk 2s, but it was taking forever to come, so I've gone with the Eagles. ACL bearings, and then the ARP bolts and studs. So we've got a good collection there. We mean business. We're going to put some power through this old girl here. Bless her. I feel like she's just been left there for years. Well, it's been 9 months, hasn't it? But yeah, I do mean business. I've also been looking at getting some drag tyres as well, so we could do some obviously drag racing down at Santa Pod. I also fancy 10 of the best as well next year, so yeah, let's see what we can do. So the next video is me attempting to put the diff in the transmission or gearbox, American transmission. But anyway, going to put the diff in the gearbox, so sort that out, and then it'll be to building the engine. So wish me luck for that one. But anyway, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Purple Lamborghini,